So now I'm going to introduce your first set of assignments. These are prerequisites. They're required before you can even start turning in other assignments. So you'll go into our class. Hopefully you've already read this announcement and started to access your textbook. If you haven't, you need to click this link and then create an account with Pearson so that you can access your textbook. It's called Art Forms. Um, Other than that, you're going to click over here to the left where it says Lessons, and this is where you'll always find our work for the class. And then the ones that we are going to focus on today and tomorrow are these prerequisite assignments. So you'll click on this, and we have three. So the first one is a syllabus quiz. The syllabus is over here on the left-hand side. You'll click that link. It'll open the syllabus. You'll read over it, and then you'll click this link for the syllabus quiz. You'll click Begin, and you'll take the quiz. Okay? Okay, I'm going to cancel this. I'll just go back to Lessons. You can always click on Lessons here, or up here at the top, you can click the previous tab, and it'll take you back. So that's where you'll take the quiz. I'll get the results automatically. The next assignment is to use the discussion board. So basically these are so that you guys can get good at the things that you're going to need to do for this class. So one of the things is you will be required every once in a while to post in the discussion board. So here you're going to introduce yourself to the group, tell us a little bit about who you are. This can include all kinds of things like what are your goals, hobbies, music, movies you like, do you have brothers and sisters? And so I'm going to read through all these. I would encourage you guys to read through each other's posts also. You never know just who you have something in common with. So you're going to click on Introduction Discussion. And it's going to take you straight to the discussion board. So you can see up here at the top, discussion board, introduction discussion. And you will click create a thread. Your subject line can be like about me or about, and then your name, and then you'll type the things about you here where it says message, and then you'll click submit down here. So that's that, pretty easy. I'm going to click back because I am not submitting a discussion. Oh, I went too far. Okay, and then the last one is an assignment that is basically asking you to email me because I need you to know how to email me on our TCC emails. All of our correspondence for this course starting Monday needs to be done through TCC email. So unless it is an emergency, let's say it's time for our live class and you're having technical problems, I would still email me, but maybe you could also text me in that instance. But I prefer that we communicate through our TCC emails. Okay, so you'll click on this email instructor assignment, and there is a PowerPoint here that you're going to click on to open. It has instructions in case you don't know how to access your TCC email yet. All right. If you are having any problems at all with technology and TCC, I want you to email the help desk or to call the help desk. So let's see here if I can find it. We may have to just search. So the tech support, you can submit a ticket online. So if you're having a real bad problem with like our class or accessing our class. But usually you're just going to call this number here, 817-515-8324. That's who you're going to contact if you're having problems logging in. If you need help finding something in Blackboard or something doesn't look right, you can ask me first, but if I'm not available, please keep in mind that you can contact the TCC tech support and they will help you with that. So those 3 lessons, the syllabus quiz, the discussion board, and emailing me are your first 3 assignments. Those are due before the end of the day on Friday, before midnight on Friday. So those need to be completed by that time. You'll see here, due Friday, August 28th. So you'll always be able to see the due date there. Okay? Email me if you have questions, and I will talk to you soon.